Hello, this is Jason Matthews. I'm a retired law enforcement officer, and I want you to watch this police body camera footage. It's a use of force by an officer, and then I want you to tell me what you believe the officer did wrong. Now, this is very obvious to me as a retired law enforcement officer, what the officer did wrong, in my opinion, in my professional opinion, in decades of law enforcement. But I want you to watch this entire video, and then at the end, I want you to comment and tell me what you believe this officer did wrong. And then next week, I will reveal to you what I believe the officer did wrong. So subscribe and ring the notification bell to be notified when the next video is released. Let's get started.
What's up, man? Stop. Stop right there. Oh, it's 14 bike. With the mic on the bike. He's fleeing.
Seriously, what the fuck, dude? Seriously, fucking what the fuck, man? I didn't fucking do nothing. Why'd you do that? What the fuck?
Put your hands behind your fucking back.
Stop me, huh? I didn't fucking do anything.
Hands behind your back.
Get on. You just fucking hit me with the car, bro.
What'd you throw right there?
I didn't do anything. The fuck, dude? Huh? 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 I'm gonna get my fucking leg, bro.
Sit still.
I can't.
What'd you throw?
I didn't do
You
anything.
didn't throw something right there?
No, man.
Yeah, you did.
The fuck? I mean, why the fuck do you
Get
stop
up.
anyways?
Get up.
No, why just stop me? I
I
ain't doing
stopped you
nothing.
because you were laying on the ground.
I
over
wasn't
there.
laying on the ground,
Okay,
bro.
get up.
I literally picked my backpack up. Like, what the fuck, dude?
Spread your feet.
Fuck, man. Seriously, bro.
Where are you
Why?
coming from?
I'm going to my house, bro.
Where are you coming from?
I was at a friend's house, man.
Where's that?
Down in the W section.
Wood Hollow?
Maybe. They're all freaking out over there, bro. I didn't fucking do nothing wrong, bro. I was laying on the ground.
Okay.
Fucking crazy, bro. They just fucking hit me with the car, bro. That's fucking insane. I have to put my foot down, dude. I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm not trying to run. Like, I just want to fucking go home, man. Like, what the fuck? Mike. McDermott, man. And you just fucking hit me with the car, man.
I asked you to stop. You
I
told me.
know, but I don't have to stop.
Where'd the handgun?